Props. Props means properties. Okay, it is a short form of properties. Okay, when React sees an element representing a user-defined component, it passes JSX attributes to this component as a single object. Okay, we call this object as props. Okay, props are objects. Okay, props are objects that are passes with JSX attributes. Okay, JSX attributes. Okay, React sees an element representing a user defined component. It passes JSX attributes to the component as a single object. Okay, with the help of JSX, okay, we pass the component as a single object. Okay, then let's see, props can be two types. Okay, that is we use props as two ways. That is a functional based component. We use props in functional based component and class based component. Okay, first see the example of functional based component. Okay, here function, we create a function that is with a function keyword, then student, that is a component. Okay, name, component name. Props are attributes. Okay, attributes, these are the attributes or properties. Okay, then we will return, function will return as one hello props dot name. Okay, then div close. Okay, here this we can access props with the help of props dot name in the curly braces. Okay, this is the expression we wrote here, expression. This props dot name is an expression. Okay, we create here our component called a student. Okay, then we pass a parameter here. Okay, props are the parameter or attributes. Okay, parameter, then we return this JSX. Okay, as an hello, then comma expression props dot name. Okay, with the rendering method. Okay, react dom dot render method. Okay, student is a component, this is same as this. Okay, then we pass here attributes. Okay, that is a name equal to lucky. Okay, then document dot get element by id root. Okay, we provide this render method to the root elements in the index.html file. Okay, here this here, from here to here is a JSX. Okay, we pass attributes called name equal to lucky. If you pass name attributes in the render method, then it will goes to the props. Okay, here these name attributes goes to props, then we'll access that props. Okay, in the h1 hello props name, then you will get here hello lucky. Okay, this is the output of this function. Okay, if you pass no value for a props. Okay, if you pass no value for a props, okay, you can, if you don't give these name attributes here. Okay, then it takes default to true. Okay, it takes default true. Okay, let's see the example of this function based component of props. Okay, function based props. Okay, component, here component is not component. Okay, here props. Okay, props must be props. Okay, functional based props. Okay, let's see the example, or let's do the practical about a functional based props. Okay, open your Visual Studio. Open your Visual Studio Code, then open your student.js file. Okay, student.js file, then import React from React. Okay, then create a constant. Okay, oh sorry, st constant, then student, then props. Okay, we build here arrow function. Okay, this is an arrow function. Okay, we pass a props. Okay, parameter props, then return, then div. Okay, then h1 hello, control s. Okay, then export this file as export default. export default what student, so that we will import this student in the next file, okay, index.js file. Okay, then go to your index.js file, then import react from react. Okay, then react dom also, import react dom also, then import what student from current directory student. Okay, then react dom method. Okay, render method, react dom dot render, then student component. Okay, student component self closing. Okay, then document document get element by id curly braces root semicolon. Okay, then save this file. Okay, then go to your index.file. Okay, we pass that rendering method in this id div id root. Okay, save this all file, then go to your view, then open your terminal. Okay, then npm start. Okay, don't forget to start your server. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, and opening in the browser. Okay, so that will display there hello. Okay, we will display here hello. Okay, now we will use the props. Okay, here in the example I will code this. Okay, then I pass here props. Okay, this is a props. Okay, then we'll use first add an attributes to the random name equal to lucky. Okay, then save this file. Okay, don't forget to save, and then go to your h1, then expression. Okay, for a functional based component. Okay, we'll use props only. Okay, props dot name to access this. Okay, then control s. Okay, then if you go to your browser, then you'll get error. Here I forgot to give equal here. Okay, control s, then go to your browser, then you will get here lucky. Okay, hello lucky. Okay, this is, if you go to your inspect. Okay, then you will get here in the h1 tag. Okay, hello then lucky. Okay, we get access this props with the help of props dot name. Okay, in the index.js. Okay, in the student.js, here this here. Okay, you can pass any attributes in the index.js. Okay, here we can pass. Okay, then we will pass role. Okay, role equal to, don't forget to give equal. Okay, now otherwise you will get error here. Okay, then give 100. Okay, to access this. Okay, create another line. Okay, and then role is to. Okay, props dot role, then save this file. Okay, then you will get here output roll 100. Okay, with this method. Okay, we will get we will use props like this way. Okay, you can give any expression in the as any attributes. Okay, you can give here say +5. Okay, then save this file. Okay, then you will get here output like this way. Okay, for to get output. Okay, you will have to use bracket here. then you will get output. Oh, you will get same output. Okay, remove this part, this string, then you will get the output. Control S, then go to your browser. Oh, you can either write an expression. Oh, we have to write an expression in the curly braces. Okay, like this 100 plus 5. Okay, then control S. Okay, then you will get here 105. Okay, we can write JSX attributes in the curly braces or as an string only. Okay, we have only two methods to write an attribute, JSX attributes, as we have seen already. Okay, in the error. Okay, this is the way we can get the we can use the functional based proofs. Okay, let's see about the class based component. Okay, or class based proofs. Example of class based proofs. Okay, first we create here a class student. This is a component name. Okay, this is a child component name of this component. Okay, this component is a parent. Okay, parent component. Then this student is the child component of this component. Okay, then we'll use a render method, then return this. Okay, we'll use this in the to access the props in the class based component. Okay, class based props. Okay, but in the functional based. Okay, we'll use only props name. Okay, like this. Okay, but in the class based props. Okay, we use this dot props dot name. Okay, here we use this keyword. Okay, this, then deep close. Okay, this is an example, and then we will render this with the help of deep render. Okay, if you want props here. Okay, if you want to provide a to access this dot props dot name, then you have to give attributes in the JSX. Okay, in the render method. Okay, so that this will be displayed with this dot props dot name, then you will get here hello lucky. Okay, output. Let's see the example of class based component. Okay, go to your editor. Okay, go to your student.js file. Okay, then remove this part. Okay, then we'll create the component here. Okay, okay, this is the I remove this export. Okay, if you give here export default export. Okay, then you doesn't need to export this. Okay, remove this part also. Okay, because we import that line. Okay, then control S. Okay, student S capital, then okay, div here in the div. Okay, we'll use here h1. First I will remove these attributes. Okay, then save this file. Okay, then save this file too. Okay, then go to your browser, then you will get hello guys, I am only. Okay, if you go to your inspect, then open your div, then you will get here only this. Okay, if you give any attributes here. Okay, like name, if you give this name here. Okay, you have to give here an expression to use that proofs. Okay, this dot proofs dot name. Okay, if you give this expression, this dot props dot name, then you will get here lucky. Okay, I am lucky. Then if you open this div. Okay, then h1, then you will get this h1 lucky. Okay, this is the here lucky. Okay, I have removed that part. Okay, oh sorry, then you can give this this. Okay, then you can add another attributes like role. Okay, role 105. Okay, then save this file. Okay, to access this, okay, we'll add one more line. Okay, then my role, then use here role. Okay, if you open your browser, then you will get here. Okay, if you open a div, then you will get here this lucky is access with the help of this.props.name. If you open this div also, okay, then 105 is accessed with the help of this.props.role. Okay, this is the use of, or this is the advantages of this.props. Okay, we can get it easily as we give an attributes to the JSX. Okay, in the react.render method. Okay, we can get access this by this.props.name. This role or name is an attributes, whatever an attributes that you have passed here. Okay, like this name, then role. Okay, then no another thing, like another thing is whether you declare a component is a function or a class. Okay, it must never modify its own props. Okay, we can't modify these props. Okay, these are read only. Okay, we can't use as dynamic. Okay, we can't replace this name with another. Okay, so React component must act like pure function with respect to their props. Okay, with respect to their props. Okay, React component must act like a pure function. Okay, pure function means we can't change anything. Okay, like if you want to provide a sum of a and b, then that will return the sum of a plus b. Okay, we can't change. Okay, that is the pure function. Okay, props are read only. Okay, we can't do anything with props. We can that props are only for read only purpose. Okay, for purpose, read purpose. Okay, this is all about the props. Okay, you can give any expression here. Okay, for this. Okay, remove this part. Okay, expression, you can give the any expression like this 100 plus 10. Okay, then you will get output here 1010. Okay, if you open this, okay, you will get here 101. Okay, React automatically get or add this 100 plus 10, then provides the output 110. Okay, this is all. Here in this index.js, okay, we pass this name equal to lucky. Then in the student component, okay, student class component, we access these props. Okay, automatically here, because class component contains props. Okay, so that we will use props.name. Okay, this is all about the props